This tutorial will guide you through the first use and phone pairing of your new Vertuo Next machine. To pair your Vertuo Next machine, make sure that you have downloaded the Nespresso app on your mobile device. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your mobile device and that you are close to your machine. Launch the app on your smartphone or tablet. From the Nespresso app homepage, click on the machine icon. Pair your machine by following the instructions via the app. We recommend that you always update the app to the latest version. Your machine is now ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need any more information, please visit Nespresso.com.